Alright, so I asked you guys to write an exponential function with only 2 order pairs. Now, there's a couple of ways to do the first thing is find the common ratio. Some of you guys said to do what? Make a table. And then what?
I put -2, -1, 0.
You can just go backwards, right? Well, you'll go backwards to help you find your A value, but how do you find the common ratio here? You can just look at it and realize you're counting by ones here. So you're doing what here? Okay, let's just say it gets complicated. Let's just say they're fractions. To find the B value, you can also do the second over the first. Second number over the first. Class, what's my second number? And what's my first number? 16. And then 32 divided by 16 gives us what? 2. So 2 ways of finding that number. You can just make a table of values, or you can use this little just division problem. And we've found the B value. What's the next thing?
A value.
Let's write that. Find A value. Okay, there's a couple of ways you can find the A value. Talk to your partner a couple of ways.
The value, just work backwards and whatever you do.
So it skips. I'll show you guys a different method. We're getting there though. Alright, what'd you guys think of? Okay, work backwards on the table of values. Okay, watch this. I don't know why I like box. Box. And then what's our common ratio? Times 2. So box times 2, or 2 times a box, equals 16. Divided by 2, the box is equal to, you get a box that equals 8. Or, what's the opposite of multiplying by 2? Dividing. So you're actually dividing going back up in this case. Do you see that? It's the reciprocal. And then this one would be what? Instead of something plus 1 equals 1, or you can do 1 minus 1, which is 0. Okay. Another way that you can have done this is in your formula. Partner A tell partner B the formula for exponential functions. Brian, what's our formula? Or b to the x power, we would say. What would happen if you substitute in points and then solve for the a? What's your b value? 2. What's your x value? Well, you can pick an order pair. This is kind of like the vertex-intercept form. You guys remember that? I gave you like the vertex, and then you pick one of the order pairs. So I would probably pick this one. Do you see it? The order pair 116. And then you can just solve this. 2 to the first power is just what? 2. So if I divide both sides by 2, a is equal to 8. So a couple of ways of finding the a value. Work backwards, or you can just substitute it in. And then we just put those in. A value is 8. B value is 2. Y equals 8 times 2 to the x power. Instead of giving you a table of values, I just gave you 2 order pairs. for now, that's someone had noted. I'm just giving you consecutive numbers. But we'll do an example later once I start skipping numbers.